Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. I've got a new paper pumpkin unboxing that I'll be sharing with you. Welcome back to my channel. You'll have to excuse the view that I've got going on. Had an issue with my tripod. It broke, and so I've kind of had to jimmy rig it a little bit. And it's really high up, so I've got it taped to a handheld one here, trying to get it fixed so I can try to do this really quick. Just to show you, this is the new one here. It's called a Hope Box. And this is for the August 21. So let me get some more light on. I don't know if it wants to work tonight. Okay, we'll just go on and let's see what we have in here. These are the stamps. It says always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Just a note of hope. Hope. There's faith, like that. Where there is faith, miracles happen. Oh, I love these stamps. Then you've got butterflies and a flower and a little other image there. So yes, I like those. I'll stamp those out and show you what those look like. Oh, I love this ribbon. Let me see if I can't. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so soft. Very soft. Yes, that's real soft. Isn't that pretty? I love that ribbon. I haven't had anything like that. And the ink spot for this time is Blackberry Bliss. How to make a Hope Box. With the Hope Box Paper Pumpkin Kit, put a smile on someone's face. The Hope Box Paper Pumpkin Kit includes gorgeous card kit for you to create, plus a special designed box. The Hope Box. Stampin Up co-founder Shelley created the Hope Box to help you find what makes you hopeful. Simply collect mementos and precious objects, reminders of wonderful memories and tokens that point towards exciting moments to come, and keep your created Hope Box as a place to turn to for some self-love and inspiration. Let's see how to assemble your Hope Box. And it says, with the special design paper pumpkin Hope Box, in hand decorate it with elements from the kit and make it your own. Find a selection of mementos that recent hope and optimism to you, then place them into the box. Look into your Hope Box often whenever you need a reminder to think positively or want some inspiration. If you know someone who needs hope in their life, give them the gift of hope by tailoring your Hope Box with personal touches and meaningful keepsakes they appreciate. Here's some examples of what to include in your Hope Box. A card, the Hope Box Paper Pumpkin Kit, pictures to bring positive memories, success documents, inspiring articles, quotes of poems, jokes of stories, list of goals, printed lyrics, meaningful jewels, jewelry, art, your favorite books, magazines, significant objects. So that's what this hope box is all about. Bringing hope. Reminding you, making you feel good about something when you're feeling down. That was a good idea. I guess because there's been so much stuff going on, you know, bad things with everything, the coronavirus and there's so much bad stuff going on in the world right now. So let's see, we've got, where's our little blue dots? And we've got our dimensions here and little, beautiful little sequins, sticky sequins. Oh, they're so pretty too. My favorite color. Purple is my favorite color, if y'all did not know. So the last paper pumpkin I just showed, it had my favorite color, and so does this one. Look at these. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful envelopes. So those will be fun to create with. And then we've got some beautiful little punch out tags there. Look how pretty those are. Got some of those. These are just little cardstock, white cardstock pieces. Then we got little tags here. It says tomorrow. And then these are foreign languages right here. So it comes in other languages. And then this says hope down here. So say it's been coming in different languages because now we've got it coming in other countries now. These are beautiful little cardstocks. We've got some little circle tags, tangle tags, other little cardstock pieces. Oh, coming on my favorite thing here, the little butterfly cutouts or die cuts. Look at that, the little ephemera pieces. Ooh, look at the purple ones. Aren't they pretty? Pretty. Can they be layered? And they're so pretty. And then all the card bases, which I like to cut them in half. And use other cardstock and make more. Oh, look at that. How pretty. See, that would be pretty like that. That is beautiful. And what we got here. This is probably, I bet this is what's to decorate the box. Yep. Decorate the box. Big long instructions and everything. This one's kind of more of a kind of do as whatever you want. Here's more pieces. It's got a lot in it. It really does. And oh, here's the instructions. I should have known it does have instructions, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, this really has a lot in it. Yeah, see, it shows the box here. You can decorate it. That's why it's got so much in it, because you can decorate your box. And then make cards. There you go, there's a bigger picture. See how they've got the box decorated and then they made cards. here's the full instructions. Yep, they show exactly how to do everything, how to make the cards. They even show here how to make the box, how to decorate it. And right here they show for each card and for the box too. All the instructions are right there. Easy peasy. So this will be a lot of fun. I may work with this tonight in my class. And there's the great big butterfly for the box. You don't have to follow the instructions. I kind of make up my own thing, add things to it and everything. But I wanted to do the unboxing before I did anything with it. I always like to do that. And then I go and do my own thing, and I come back and show you what my alternatives look like. There goes my light. So I hope you enjoyed this, and please make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell for all my videos, for all notifications, so that you'll be able to be notified for all my videos. And if you would please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please share. That helps my YouTube to grow when other people see it. And also leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you would be interested in getting the paper pumpkin. And I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Have a blessed day, and come back for more videos, and I will show you the alternatives that I do with the kit. See you again soon.